These are the classes and their activity limitations. Class 5 players have movement problems in predominantly their lower limbs, and less so in their arms. Players may show some difficulty in quick turns or spins. The player has a normal static balance but exhibits problems in dynamic balance movements. The player has an abnormal walking pattern. Both sides of the body are involved in football. Feet and knees often show inverted rotation during walking, running and in stationary position. Class 6 players have movement problems in all 4 limbs. Usually have more control than their Class 5 teammates, and all 4 limbs may show functional ability in sports movements. Some control movements in the upper body are noticeable, but running with moderate coordination is possible, and in many cases better than a normal walking posture. A Class 6 player has coordination or balance problems, or is affected by involuntary movement. Severities may vary between players. Class 7 players predominantly affected on only one side of their body, with exceptional control on the opposite side. When running, the limp on the affected side will often diminish. Training and exercise can improve the player's mobility, although some restrictions will still apply in fast turning movements. Class 7 players can have the following characteristics. The muscle mass on the affected side is less than the muscle mass on the unaffected side. The unwinding of the foot isn't perfect. The Class A player exhibits minimal impairment in movement. This is most noticeable while running, turning and tackling. Most of the times, the disability during the game is difficult to see. A more specific medical and technical assessment is necessary.